Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Latin America and the Caribbean are at risk of becoming the world's slowest growing region. The slowdown come amid stubborn inflation, rising public debt, now at 63.8% of GDP, and falling commodity prices projected to decline 10% next year and another 5% in 2026. But the World Bank says the key to reversing the trends lies in unleashing a new generation of high-growth entrepreneurs. The bank forecasts GDP growth of just 2.3% in 2025 and 2.5% in 2026, a pace that lags behind every other global region. All categories of fuel will decrease effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will decline by $2.94 and $3.06 respectively. Automotive diesel will see $3.06 being shaved off, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will also decline by $3.06. Kerosene will cost $3.06 less. The cost of propane will fall by 85 cents, while butane will lose $1.09. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petroleum. The JSE index climbed by 512 points, while the junior market index dipped 12 points. The winners were led by Iron Rock Insurance Company, JMMB 8.5% US dollar preference shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Tropical Battery, and Jamaican Teas. The losers include First Rock Real Estate Investments, Blue Power Group, Jetcon Corporation, ISP Finance Services, and Berger. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.62. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.07. The pound is going for $215.81, while the euro is selling for an average $189.02. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.